Today we will show you ANENG's digital angle position meter, equipped with horizontal laser markings. Easier to measure. Quickly mark 2 points on the horizontal plane. Measure levelness. Measure verticality. Measure slope. 4-sided strong magnetic adsorption. Follow-up testing. Automatic flipping display of screen values. High brightness backlit digital display screen. Even in low light, the values can be clearly seen. When doing 4-wheel alignment for a car, detecting tilt angle, help adjust to the appropriate angle, improve the reliability of car driving. When installing the guide rail, to confirm the level, only then can the screws be tightened. Wide range of applications. Convenient detection, precise measurement. Press the H% key. One-click switching of angle and slope display units. Long press to maintain the current value. Convenient for recording and reading. 2 measurement modes. Absolute measurement directly displays the degree value. Relative measurement. Press the 0 key on the slope. Set the current angle to 0 degrees. Continue measuring again. It's the relative angle between the two. How many degrees is the difference between two angles? Convenient for comparison. It is very compact and portable in size. Charging using Type-C interface. No need to frequently replace the battery. About 12 minutes without operation. Auto shut down. Long press these 2 keys at the same time. Hear a beep. Stand the meter upside down. Press the H% key. Hear a beep. Rotate 90 degrees. Press the H% key. Hear a beep. Rotate 180 degrees. Press the H% key. Hear a beep. Press the H% key. Lay the back of the meter up flat. Pay attention to the button dangling. Hear a beep. Flip over. Heads up. Press the H% key. Hear a beep. Press the H% key. Hear a beep. Calibration is now complete.